Hey, there's Michael R. Hunter, co-founder of Spiffy Checkouts. I'm so pumped for this video because we finally have data to back things that we've been preaching for the past decade. See, creators are chasing and optimizing the wrong metrics, and we now have data to prove it. Last year, Spiffy processed $200 million worth of payments, and we were able to measure that against the last 5 or 6 years of $1 billion worth of data to predict industry trends. And I'm so excited to share a little bit of our creator trends report for 2026. This is gonna be a short video. We're gonna highlight one piece of this 22-page report that's just a concept, an idea that can really move the needle and have you focusing on the right things in 2026. For most of the last decade, the industry has been promoting optimizing conversion rate, optimizing for low cost per lead, that volume was better, that higher conversion rates were better. And now we have data to prove that is not the case. In this video, we're going to talk about a new concept called revenue density. And we're going to unpack this really powerful concept to hopefully have you focus on the most important things in your business going into 2026. See, most of these trends are based off of the market maturing. 2020 accelerated things in our industry. There's a lot of people selling offers and creating courses that really didn't have a lot of experience. The market got burned and people are making much more stronger, much more intentional buying decisions. So now the game has changed. High conversion rates are no longer the thing to optimize for. High conversion rates mean low friction, not high value. When we analyzed over $200 million worth of data benchmarked against $1 billion worth of payments over the past 6 years, we're able to assess trends in the industry. And what we found is true, that low price points, low ticket offers have higher conversion rates, and higher ticket offers have low conversion rates. But that's not the insight. The insight is in the value. Low price point offers often have lower friction, and there's more casual buyers. With a higher price point, your conversion rate drops significantly, but it's a much more motivated buyer. We knew this inherently for the past decade. We've been preaching this to our customers and our clients, but now we have the data to prove it. When we stopped just looking at conversion rate and we started looking at revenue per 1,000 visitors to a checkout, the economics flipped. The insight was insanely powerful. High ticket offers generated 5 to 50 times more revenue, not per customer, per view. I'm going to say that again. High ticket offers generated 50 times more revenue than low ticket offers. And that's not per customer, that's per viewer to the checkout page. Now, what does that mean? Conversion tells you how many people said yes, but revenue density shows you the economic value of each moment of attention on that checkout page. High conversion is a sign of low resistance, not high value, and this is where most creators go wrong. If you want the full breakdown, you can see this in our 2026 creator report. Under the price conversion and the illusion of efficiency section here, you can see the full breakdown, including how price bands behave across the different categories. We published the entire data set here in our analysis in our 2026 report, among other things. This is a 22-page report that goes over a ton of really awesome information, and this is just one insight out of this really useful report. And if you want to crush it in your business in 2026, be sure to download this report, read through it, set aside some time to read through it. There's so many powerful insights that will help differentiate you in the marketplace so you can dominate 2026. And if you're not yet using Spiffy in your business like other high-performing creators in the industry, high 6, 7, and 8-figure thought leaders have been using Spiffy for the past decade, driving significant results for their business. So take a look at Spiffy Checkouts and see how we can drive more revenue and have 2026 be your best year yet. Click below to get access to the report and explore some of the other links. If you found this information interesting, useful, and helpful, I want to invite you to also check out our new podcast called the 6 Fig Podcast, where we have long format conversations talking about business principles and really unpacking the stories of other 7 and 8-figure founders of how they got started, how they scaled, and insights, perspectives, and lessons they learned along the way. Check out our podcast, link below, or you can go to 6fig.com, or you can search YouTube or your favorite podcast outlet Six Fig Podcast. On this show, you'll meet people who have gone from six figures in a year to six figures in a month, in a day, in an hour, and even a minute. You'll hear their story, the strategies that worked, the insights that changed everything, and the lessons they learned along the way.
This is the Six Fig Podcast.